Each day starts by checking the schedule. If it's a mobile day, we plan the route and confirm appointments. If we're in the shop, we prep our tools and get right to work. We also recycle any leftover glass from the day before, clean up our van, and hit the road, ready for anything. Every day as a Safelite technician is different, and we pride ourselves on our ability to adapt to all the changes thrown our way. First impressions matter. We review service expectations and explain the installation and recalibration process. We also talk safety add-ons like new wipers or glass treatments. Every extra service keeps drivers safer on the road and can boost your earnings. Attention to detail is key. Seat covers, hood covers, and before and after photos ensure quality and customer confidence. Safelite equips you with specialized tools to handle any unexpected problems that might come up during your day. Once the glass is set, we thoroughly clean up every detail because safety and satisfaction go hand in hand. We make sure everything looks perfect and let the customer know they'll receive a quick survey by text or email. Every response helps us continuously improve their experience. We offer paid training that certifies you in weeks, plus weekly pay and a clear path to advance. Your performance, quality, and positive attitude drive promotions. Leaders coach you every step of the way. This isn't a fixed 9-to-5 workday. Your hours flex with customer demand and how efficiently you complete each job. This is a physical job, but each day offers an opportunity for us to make a positive impact on the lives of our customers. Peak seasons can mean longer shifts or a 6-day work week. But if you love working outdoors in a wide variety of weather conditions with plenty of independence, this is where you shine.
I love that every day is different. Safelite paid for me to get certified quickly, and I get to learn something new every day.
Join the Safelite team, grow your skills, help people, and make a real impact, one windshield at a time.